Hey everyone, it's a beautiful day outside. As you can see, it's snowing today. And yeah, so I am in my new apartment and still settling in. I just made a whole video about moving into this apartment, so you can check it out here. It talks about my entire journey in the US so far. I think it's pretty good. So nothing too exciting planned. I am gonna be traveling soon, so that's new. And I'm trying something different with my hair. I'm trying to grow them out and, just, I don't know, do something and go for a hairstyle which I usually don't go for. Being totally honest with you, I have always been a bit insecure about my hair. And there were times when I was in high school, I remember a couple of instances where people used to make fun of it. You know how 14-year-olds can be. I've always been a bit too concerned how they're looking, if they're not the way they are. It really affects my mood for the day. I don't know. I know it sounds a bit stupid, but I'm sure you can also relate with something else in your life which kind of makes you feel this way. I think every one of us, we have our own insecurities and we are trying to deal with it, in our own way.
I look amazing.
Also, I upgraded my vlogging setup, so hopefully you'll be getting better vlogs now. Sorry about the quick detour. I had to get myself tested for COVID and had to get some shopping done, but coming back to the main video. Hey everyone, so a very good morning. Today I am doing a quick hairdo tutorial. I don't know, should I call it a tutorial or not? I personally have been obsessed with trying different hairdos. I've had the buzz cut, I've had the messy quiff with low faded sides. I'll try to put some of the hairdos that I've had. I've also tried a beard and then really faded sides and then again have a quiff. The whole point of trying different hairstyles is that you step out of your comfort zone and you try something new. Whenever I change my hair, I'm not thinking that, hey, I'm gonna try this particular look because I'm gonna be looking the best in that. No. The whole idea is to just step out of your comfort zone and see how it actually looks like. Alright, so let's start styling my hair. Okay, so right now my hair are completely wet. So I just shampooed my hair, applied a bit of conditioner, no products, nothing right now. Okay, so first, before I start blow drying my hair, I'll apply some hair serum so that the heat does not, harm the hair. This is the hair serum that I'm using. It's L'Oreal Smooth Intense. Not a whole lot of crazy, just apply a little bit. Make sure that you evenly distribute this, so that it goes into all sections of your hair. Once that is done, I'm gonna start blow drying my hair. So to give you a bit insight of how the technique that I use to blow dry my hair is that I'm gonna start blow drying my hair in the backwards direction. Then I'm gonna be going left to right and then right to left. Doing so, it just adds a whole lot of volume to your hair. It really enhances your look, okay? Okay, so I'm going to be using this brush to blow dry my hair. So as I mentioned, first we're going to be combing it in the back direction. course, as you can see, I started blow drying in the straight direction. So let's say if you want to part your hair left to right. So if you blow dry your hair in the opposite direction, it'll actually give your hair more volume. Yeah, right now it's a mess. So as you can see, like already my hair is really bouncy right now. And what I am going to be doing is, since I blow dried it in this particular direction, so when I style it the way I want it to, that is this way, it's going to give my hair a whole lot of volume and hold, okay? Okay, so already I'm getting the bounce that I need in my hair, but right now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be rolling my hair up. So I'm going to be using this roller brush to kind of like make sure that I give this a bit more hold and style it the way that I want it to. So again, apply a bit of medium heat and start rolling it up. Okay, so the blow drying part is almost done, but now I think I can start applying the product, a strong texture hold clay, so that the hair does not, go sideways. Again, so nothing fancy about this hair clay, a pretty standard one. It's high shine and high hold, so not a whole lot of hair wax, just a fingertip. Yeah, make sure that you evenly spread out the wax, in your hands before applying it, because you don't want like lumps of that clay stuck in your hair. I'll start with the back. I'll make sure I give this side partition a bit of hold. Once I have structured them, now I'm going to be, pulling my hair up. Oh, what's up with the brightness? But okay. Okay, and there you go. The hair is almost set. Now I don't apply a whole lot of wax because firstly I don't think it looks very good when your hair is all sticky. I like the fact that I can still move my hair. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So I'll just show you like the before and after results, and hopefully this was a bit helpful for you all. Hey everyone, I hope you all liked today's vlog. It was something a bit different than I have tried before. So I'm not sure if the hairstyling tips were that helpful or not, but let me know if you liked it. And yeah, as always, I'm going to be coming out with more content, so stay tuned. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all next time. Peace.